Alright, so today I decided to live trade a little bit on EU. I'm looking for a pullback into this fair value gap on a daily. Last day didn't move as much. Previous day low is very, very obvious for me, especially with this gap here. So that's what I'm looking for, just to move downwards towards this daily fair value gap in the sell side, as well as the previous day low. It just seems very obvious to me that this daily candle here is gonna take this low out, which is this low. For our value gap. I see this as a breakaway. I do not see us coming back all the way here to then go down. That doesn't make any sense to me. So I'm looking for this 50-minute gap to get in first, displace over the Asian lows, pull back, and give us some type of entry. To then take it to the previous day low, maybe hold it a little bit longer. Yeah, and eventually hit this sell side liquidity. So yeah, I'm bearish today. Let's see how everything plays out. I'm aware that DXY did already tap this daily fair value gap that I want to see hit on EU as well. And therefore, we also have an SMT with this low that EU did not take yet. So I'm aware of that, but still I am looking for sells on EU and for buys on DXY. We have a volume imbalance as well on the daily. And it just makes sense for us to go higher here. So whenever a setup comes to me that I want to execute, I will pull up my MT5 screen, record the execution on that, and just talk myself and you guys through the trade, and well, we'll see if it hits TP or not. But yeah, just waiting on a setup right now in a direction of my higher time frame bias, which is bearish for now. And obviously after that, it is going to be bullish because we have been bullish very, very long and very, very heavy as well. So if we tap this, I'm looking for an expansion higher again. But first, I wanted to tap this, so that's why I'm bearish today. And it will be perfect for a bullish weekly profile for us to have a low of the week on Tuesday into a daily fair value gap to then continue higher. So yeah, waiting on a setup, and then I will take you guys with me on execution and trade management. So we just created a fat SMT with the XY here on a 1 minute after displacing. That is really, really, really good for my bias and for the sells that I want to see. And we are definitely back displacing down, so I might actually look for an entry here. That's nice, but I do actually want to see this 5-minute inverse as well. That is the only thing. Before I just enter on the 1 minute, I do want to see this 5-minute inverse as well. So I am gonna wait with an entry, but it's definitely a good sign with this S&T and then displacement down. It's fantastic. So I'm looking forward to seeing a setup present, and I think it will present. But I'm gonna wait at least this candle for this candle to close. Whether it closes here, here, there, that really does matter. So I'm waiting on that, and after that, I'm most likely gonna enter a trade if we pull back to this inversion fair value gap on the 5-minute towards the daily low here, and for DXY the daily high. So yeah, just waiting patiently, but we did get a sweep, and I believe it is also EQ of the range of the Asian leg here beautifully. So that is a good sign. I'm just gonna wait on some more confirmation on the 5-minute, and then I will continue to sell and see what we get. So we did not close below the gap. We did not inverse it yet. So I gotta have to wait another 5-minute candle to get maybe at least a close below this, and to then continue lower. But no close. It just waked up last moment. So yeah, we might go from here, tapping this gap. That's fine with me. If it's a good setup, I am gonna get another entry, and I'm gonna get a valid entry that makes sense to me. So for now, there is not yet a valid entry. I'm waiting on a 5-minute close below this gap, and preferably below this candle. Okay, now we do seem to go this place right now. Coming below this 50-minute candle. Same goes for DXY, just really pushing up after we tap this 1-minute fair value gap. Again, I'm waiting for a 5-minute close, but I do definitely have more confidence now that I'm in the right direction of going towards this previous day low. because we have this displacement after this fake leg up. So we got the 5-minute bearish close, very, very bearish. I either now want to see a tap here or another bearish close, so we can inverse the 50-minute on a 15 with a close below this gap and then pull back. And then we would also have a 5-minute fair value gap when this candle high stays here and we close below here. We would have a gap here, then a gap plus order block. That would give me a lot of confidence to take this out. We could also tap this right now, and then I am still contemplating if I will take a setup there, but definitely still bearish. And yeah, it looks good. I completely forgot I was live trading. I just entered the trade. Let me change the display. Yeah, I entered here on the 5-minute, based on the 5-minute entry and structure. With this close, I entered on a pullback on the order block. My DP is the daily low here. And yeah, we'll just see what the fuck is gonna go happen. I am confident in this trade, and if it loses, it loses. It is what it is. My stop is very safe above this inversion as well. And yeah, we're just gonna wait what's gonna happen. So yeah, I will leave the trade running right now so I can fast forward, etc., etc. These guys really close. Once the XY takes the buy side that I marked out, I am obviously gonna put my stop to break even, which I'm doing right now. There's no reason we should go back up here. So risk-free trade, whatever happens, happens.
Like colors of the rainbow, your presence starts to make me feel like a part of gold. Like an angel, sound like a brand new hope. Full of ideas, tongue twisted when you tease. Stop and stare, roll shakes when you reach down. Blue jeans that I waste like forever. On top of it, you say go easy, stop it up. Full of ideas, tongue twisted when you tease. Stop and stare, roll shakes when you reach down. Blue jeans that I waste like forever. On top of it, you say go easy, stop it up. Girl, let's be honest. Spend pounds on you, I fit to spend dollars on you, 100 niggas on you, so I spend 1 million on you, I throw 1 million on you, yeah.
I'm out, bro. It's all right. I'm out. It's gonna go through, I know, but I'm out on my shit because it went through anyway. Good fucking trade, man. Let's go. Good fucking trade. I hate when it plays around my DP like that. Good shit. Target hit. Previous a little smack. S&P disrespected. Like, that is a very, very well trade. Like,